Who is faster? My little cousin or me? Him first. Ikaw. That is my little cousin. Me. Good. Ikaw, nasad. I-try balik yan. Uy. Okay, that's good. That's good. Me.